All that I'm trying to demonstrate that police, paragraph 9 I have stated কটা বাপ আছে কে বাঁচায় তোকে দেখবো I have quoted আপনার জন্য স্পেশাল ট্রিটমেন্ট আছে দিস আপনার জন্য স্পেশাল ট্রিটমেন্ট আছে is and I am not reading after 2-3 line did you sleep all this have said by the police authorities and means this Sathi Barik.
This channel does not promote any violent, harmful, or illegal activities. All content provided by this channel is meant for an educational purpose only.
113 is my matter, lad.
You are not there. Who is there?
Connected.
Connected. না বললে কি হবে? All Jadavpur matters.
Yes. 13 is Jadavpur matter.
11 is not. As related
Springs
to
from Jadavpur. Springs from Jadavpur.
113 you will do.
But I mean Sucharita and what is the other name? And the other is Susrita Soren. Surita.
And 113 you are not there.
No. কি আছে 113 কে
কি করে জানবো আমরা তো আমি
নেই
হোয়াটসঅ্যাপও করেছি সোমনাথকে কি আছে বলেনি
113 মিনিট দেখুন কে আছে দেখেন আমার দেখে নাও
So you will now do which matters?
110
10 and 12.
So far 110 is concerned, on the day we have a video footage. We are in the college campus. Now few outsiders, the video footage is demonstrating are pulling me, and police is saying I have specifically stated in paragraph 9. Paragraph 9 is my entire case. Police is saying okay বার করে নিয়ে আয় তারপর আমি দেখছি then police has taken custody at 9:30. I was detained until 2 a.m. next day midnight. My father sent an email saying that we do not know what is the allegation against her, there is no arrest, nothing, release her. Only thereafter she was released. And this is unlawful detention this period. And before that I was treated in a manner I do not want to spell it. I have specifically stated in my paragraph 9. Every second I have tried to mention what has happened in the police custody. Whether police can abuse me, whether police can slap me, whether police can say they will treat me specially, whether these are the within the jurisdiction or authority of the police while somebody who is even a offender can do it. And this is not the first time. I have prepared a supplementary affidavit also in regard to the previous incident. There was a grudge against me in it's known as saline case, where people died after this is a supplementary affidavit to bring on record the previous incident also against me. Even then I was kindly similar page 6. I was physically assaulted. That complaint was made at page 7 by me.
You are clubbing everything over here.
All that I'm trying to demonstrate that police, paragraph 9 I have stated কটা বাপ আছে কে বাঁচায় তোকে দেখবো I have quoted আপনার জন্য স্পেশাল ট্রিটমেন্ট আছে দিস আপনার জন্য স্পেশাল ট্রিটমেন্ট আছে is and I am not reading after 2-3 line did you sleep all this have said by the police authorities and means this Sathi Barik.
You were assaulted over here. This is the only thing which I can consider. You said
police can abuse me. Can police?
Sir, these are question of facts to be decided, not in 226.
That's
sir.
my prayer, my lord.
This is not.
That's
You
my-
got to file a case for that. Now 175(4) has come. You can go before the magistrate.
That is my criminal case.
The criminal case.
Yes, ma'am. So far, criminal case is concerned, my lord, I have made a complaint at page 34. Let them register an FIR. That is first part.
One thing is this, sir, they will not register FIR in this case only because of the reason they have got to follow the procedure established by law. Because you have alleged against, you can, I'm not saying you cannot, but first an inquiry is required to be conducted. Without an inquiry, directly asking to register case against the OCs, then all OCs will be in problem, sir. You over here, you see, you have this
Page
is an
34, my lord,
allegation.
kindly say.
Huh?
Page 34 of my petition.
34, I'm on 34, sir. You have said থানার একটি ঘরের মধ্যে ঢুকিয়ে ওসি অল ওমেন পুলিশ স্টেশন এবং একাধিক পুলিশ কর্মী আমাকে প্রচন্ড মারধর করে এবং অশ্রাব্য ভাষায়. So there is over here and you have attached a medical document to that effect. ঠিক আছে. You are going to file this. Don't club this with this, sir. These are two separate incidents. Unnecessarily, let me deal with them. Yes, what is your contention, Mr. Doctor?
My lord,
My lord,
first
before
is
it starts, only one more line. Lad, at 2 a.m. lad, I immediately went to the hospital.
And I've seen that. I've told you that.
And the doctor refused to record that.
So that's a separate against the doctor. There is, I will consider that. There is, I am accepting you have a injury report with you. Pursuant to coming out of the police station.
Submission.
Yes, Mr. Datto.
But first is, whatever has been stated in paragraph number 9 does not get reflected, my lord, in the complaint of the petitioner, as your lordship has been rightly pointing out at page 34.
I'm only dealing with 34. I'm not dealing with paragraph.
Number 1. Number 2, my lord, I have got, my lord, the CCTV log of the entire duration when, my lord, the petitioner was in the police station, minus the period when he was in the IC Zoom. Now, what the petitioner doesn't know, that part of the period when she was in the IC Zoom, the IC had a body camera which has recorded everything. She was having everything, chanachur, tea, etc., everything. When she came out of the room of the IC, she met her advocate also, Kaushik De, with other advocates who had also met her immediately after coming out of the IC's chamber. Now that is within the CCTV coverage. No complaint from the advocate. They do not disclose anything that the advocate Kaushik De with other advocates, we know the name of only one advocate, who had met her and speaking to her, they had left the compound. When? At 2:28 p.m. Then, my lord, from 2:35
to PM.
Yes.
PM.
14:28 hours. 2:30, my lord, she was provided with lunch. She was having that. Everything in these are on CCTV. Anything outside the.
Who is disputing all this?
Then she finishes her lunch. Then she was sleeping in the lockup. That is, my lord, up to 5:07. Then 18:34 hours, she was found chatting with AI. Anyway, I'm not naming the organization. Then at 7:05, she was provided with snacks, muri and pakora. Everything is on CCTV. Then again, she went to sleep at around 7:33 p.m. Then 8:33 p.m. again, she was found chatting with that organization people. Then at 21:30 hours, that is 9:30, she again went to sleep, my lord, in the lockup. Then at 9:50, she was provided with dinner. Then at 12 in the my lord, midnight, again she was sleeping. And finally, my lord, at 1 o'clock in the morning, 1:09, she was allowed to leave because this was a preventive detention. My lord, they were agitating in the chaos. That is why these preventive detentions have happened. It happens. There's no dispute on that. But I've got the entire log. ওই লকটা কোথায় গেল? Of which আরেকটা কাগজ ছিল, আগের দিন দেখালো, ছোট ছোট এইটুকু। But these are things, my lord, which is going to, my lord, spoil the morale of the police.
They don't have.
সাইড কমেন্ট গুলো করিস কেন? করে কি লাভ হয়? কেসে মেরিট বাড়ে? যথেষ্ট দিন তো প্র্যাকটিস করলি। But I have got, my lord, the entire CCTV, my lord, log, of which only, my lord, about 60 minutes is outside CCTV.
What I'm doing is this.
But I have to, my lord, file an affidavit in this matter.
Yes, I know
because I'm seriously considering whether I should bring a 340 application or not.
Yes, yes.
whatever is that you have got to file, but then whatever is there, I will not take a report now.
Yes.
You file it in the form of affidavit first, because you are denying whole of the accusations which have been made in page 34.
Yes,
number one. Number two, you examine the doctor
Yes.
who has issued this medical, Midnapur Medical College,
Yes.
who refused.
Well, my lord, please take this. No. Please take this, my lord, with Mr. Chatterjee's matter. I've got something to say, my lord. Kindly passes the order, my lord, after hearing Mr. Chatterjee's matter.
They're two different cases.
No. They arise out the same. I have got reasons. But after your lordship hears, my lord, then kindly, Mr. Chatterjee's matter, please.
No, the nature of the allegations, whatever is are somewhat different in Mr. Chatterjee's matter than Mr. Amit.
No, on the doctor aspect. That's why, my lord, previously I didn't say anything.
The doctor aspect, you take a statement of the doctor, what was there.
Very
Because
well. I can take that statement, but I would be requesting your lordship, my lord, to pass this order, whatever your lordship feels, after hearing Mr. Chatterjee's matter. Because on the doctor aspect, I need to show the embellishment. Subsequent embellishment, I need to show from Mr. Chatterjee's petition.
You do one thing, sir. You have a CCTV footage. Let that CCTV footage be seen by an independent police officer of the state only, and let him submit a report.
Very well.
I'm not asking nothing more than
But
that.
including, my lord, whatever is
Whatever
the body
may be-
camera.
And so far, police officer will file an affidavit. I mean, the OC concerned will file affidavit in opposition.
Very
My lord, I was making this, let there be, my lord, a report by an independent police officer, even of the state government.
The Muralidhar Sharma, I am appointing the IPS, who is the IGP some rank officer in the training academy. He will
Yes.
see the all the thing, the CCTV footages, whatever
everything.
Dotto is relying upon, including he will also speak with the officer concerned over there relating the incident, and he will submit his independent report in
Yes. That would suffice, my lord.
Thereafter, we'll take a decision.
Very
Yes.
In future.